How's it going, YouTube? Today we are working on a Hyundai Kona. Pretty simple door panel to take off. All you should need is a pick, a screwdriver, and then a little plastic trim tool piece to go ahead and pop off some covers, which we'll go ahead and do now. You're going to have one up top. Just kind of start up top, and there's like usually one or two clips. You're just going to have two clips on that top one. Then we're going to come down to the grab handle. There's going to be a little cover in here. Just kind of stick your pick in there. There's a little hole you stick your pick in, and that's going to show a Phillips screw, so we'll go ahead and take that out. There is a cover behind the actual door handle itself, but there's actually nothing behind it, so you don't have to worry about taking that off. It's just another piece of plastic, but you don't actually have to grab anything out from behind there, so don't worry about that one. Now we can come to the bottom of the door. Once again, grab your little plastic trim tool, and you're going to stick it in between the door and the panel itself. There's a little groove on the bottom side. Kind of pop it, work your way around the corners. And there you go. So that's the rear door panel. Now we'll move on to the front. The front door is pretty much going to be the same process. The only difference is the little cover up is up front now instead of in the back. So once again, start up top, kind of wedge it in there. It pops free. Same thing, just a couple clips holding it on. Go ahead and grab your pick. Same thing, reach into the little slit they made and pop it open. And that'll show the screw you gotta take out. Alright, now that we got our cover off and our screw is out, now we can actually go to the bottom side of the door. Once again, look for that little cutout. Stick your trim tool piece in there, kind of pop it free. Work your way around the edges, and then just wiggle up. And there you go. That's how you take off the front door and the rear door on a Hyundai Kona. Thanks for watching.